So we continue now after defeating whoever we defeated in the previous video, the gym leader Nora. We're facing Houndoom and Crocodile, Water Pulse and Stone Edge. Crocodile is almost down. Double Edge, they both attack to Machamp. Drain Punch and Water Pulse. Houndoom is down. His next Pokemon is Colipede. Then Headbutt and Stone Edge. I get the flinch. I didn't go for the Stone Edge, went for a double resisted Drain Punch anyway. Now Machamp is paralyzed, but this is good actually because Guts is activated. So let's continue paralyzed. Repel and go down. This guy here teaches you Explosion. None of my Pokemon can learn Explosion, which I'm not a fan of this move anyway. This guy now has Torpedo and Jellicent, Drain Punch and Crunch. Jellicent is very bulky. I have met this Pokemon a lot of times and he is never KO'd from a super effective stab move, neither from Venusaur, neither from Sharpedo. But Venusaur, okay, has Razor Leaf which has 55 base power, but Crunch has 80. Jellicent is very especially bulky. The item is Ultra Ball. Downstairs. Repel. And I will face this guy now, I guess. Vladimir again. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. He leads with Shiftry. I go for the Cross Chop, which does take Shiftry down. Next one is Archops. I'll send out Steelix. Iron Head. Archops is not down. Next, now he sends out Zen Mode, which is Darmanitan. He's Fire and Psychic, I think. Oh, and he goes for a Psychic type move. I put him to sleep. And Leech Seed, of course, as always. Send out Sharpedo. He wakes up from the first turn, anyway. Crunch. Goes for the Flamethrower, which does a lot. The next Crunch will take it down, though. Yes, it will. Zen Mode is down. Next one is Drift Beam. I will send out Steelix. Goes for the Thunder, but now Will-O-Wisp, which makes Steelix attacks useless. Let's send out Arcanine. Silver Wind does 14 HP. Crunch. Flamethrower. Ah, he has Flash Fire. Okay. At least on this game. Crunch. And the next Crunch will take it down. Yes. Next one is Conkeldurr. I don't have any choice. Dragonite or Venusaur. I'll send out Venusaur to put him to sleep and let's see that you know what next. I avoid so much. Good night and let's see. I will send out Dragonite to set up a little. Dragon Dance. He is still sleeping. Dragon Dance again. He wakes up and goes for the Stone Edge. I cannot set up another Dragon Dance. He did a lot. Now Conkeldurr is down. Next one is Archeops with very low health. Of course, Intimidate lowers my attack and he heals. but the next break will take archers down, and we're 80, and Karakosta. I send out Venusaur, Karakosta goes for the Iron Head, good night, Razor Leaf, Karakosta is down, and we have defeated Vladimir, and I can continue now. Here on this desert, face this guy that has Steelix and Gigalith. I have Steelix and Sarpedo, Iron Head and Water Pulse. Steelix is down, Iron Head, Gigalith is not down, goes for the Magnitude, which hits both Pokemon. Steelix is weak to it, but took it better than Sarpedo, which is neutral to it. The good thing with Steelix is that when he's not about special hits, he's about physical hits, but when he takes a physical hit, he takes a physical hit. Even a super effective stab moves do almost nothing to Steelix. They do about 1 out of 5 of his health. Now he sends out Electros, which has Levitate, no weaknesses. I send out Machamp, which goes for the resistant crunch, but lowers my special defense. Cross Chop doesn't take Electros down, and he scores a critical hit, and he lowers my special defense, and blah 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 blah. Drain Punch, Electros is down. Next one is Raichu. Now Steelix again. Dig. Dig takes Raichu down and Buffaland. Iron Head, he has Earthquake, but whatever, it does nothing. And the next Iron Head will take Buffaland down. Stone Edge is a double resistant hit, Buffaland is down and we can continue. Tauros goes for the Trash, Iron Head. Iron Head again. He's confused. Iron Head, Tauros is down and we can continue. Heal and face this guy here that has Zep Strika. Dig. Oh, he has Overheat, which does a lot. Go for the dig. Oh, he has Overheat. And it is not down now. I can't take an Overheat, I'll send out Arcanine. The damage from Sandstorm will take it down anyway. Well done Arcanine. Zepstrika is down and we can continue. And face this guy, I guess. He's Kisho or whatever the fuck his name is. He has Fortress, I send out Machamp, I go for the Cross Chop. Score a critical hit but it doesn't take it down, but he activates Guts. Drain Punch and Fortress is down. Next one is Scizor. He goes for the super duper power, lowering his defense, it doesn't take Machamp down. Drain Punch doesn't take Scizor down, he probably survives with 1 HP. He goes for the agility, Drain Punch, Scizor is down. Next one is Durant. Durant is Bug and Steel. He is paralyzed at least, but it will take forever. Let's send out Arcanine. Flamethrower and Durant, which is double weak, is down. Escavalier is also double weak to fire and is down too. Sedinja is also weak to fire, not double weak but weak, and it is down, and we will continue on the next video.